We are now going to create a matrix. To create the matrix, we go to the Visualizations pane and we select Matrix. We can now quickly summarize information, let's say by agent and premium. Additionally, we can amend the calculations, so we can add multiple calculation types. For instance, we can add an average net premium. Or we can even do a count. We can rename the column by double-clicking. And now we have a quick summary of the agent performance. The advantage of a matrix is using subfields. For instance, we can see how each agent is doing per class by adding a subclass. And now we get a plus button, which if we click, we can now see exactly how they're doing for each class. We also have shortcuts up top so that we can drill up or we can drill down to see all of the information. We can also switch to only see the subfield, so only the subclass. And that is how you use a matrix.